Ooh, now what have we got here? Yes, that's right. Rusty keys. And they go with this little beauty. My Hermes delivered this, and look, it's not damaged. That's a surprise. Now before I unbox these, I'm just going to put them to one side. I got some of this, never tried it before, find out if it works. This is a rust remover. Scissors, I guess. There we go. Put the rusty keys in there. Oh, I think it unscrews a little bit just to allow it to... Oh yeah, there we go, look. Oh yeah, look, it's turning purple. It did say it was going to turn purple as it was taking the rust off, because it starts to work straight away. Look. Wow! Wasn't expecting it to work that quick, to be honest. Well, I mean, yeah, don't need much. Now, I haven't got any tweezers. Well, I've got tweezers, but not tweezers that I want to ruin with whatever this stuff is. So I'm just using a couple of cotton buds. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, it's got some of it off, look. And it says it will turn purple if it's working, which it clearly is, so... I don't want to put anybody off, but it smells like eggy farts. Right, I'm just going to go and rinse that out and see what happens. There you go, look, a lot better than before. I'm going to put a little bit more on just to get rid of the last few little bits. Wow. Oh yeah, definitely smells of eggy farts. I'm going to clean this mess up. Right, now what have we got in this one? Let's have a look. And no, it's not Amazon Prime, look, it's been reused. This is going to be something from eBay. Piece of cardboard. Look at that. Microsoft Combat Flight Simulator World War II Europe series for Windows 95, 98 and NT4, and it does not require Microsoft Flight Simulator. Giving it a quick wipe down. I'll have a try of that later. Let's have a look. What we got in here? Very well packed. Oh, come on. Oh, God, blimey, that's heavy. But I've had this for well over a week, so I'm not going to use any antibacterial wipes on this. But look, this is the Flight Simulator for Windows 95, and it is as real as it gets. Wow, that's in really good condition. Obviously they didn't open the box at the top properly, but they're nice that they've left the original sticker from whatever shop it's come from. Wow, all the books and everything are here, look. Let's check the CD. Yeah, that looks alright. What have we got in here then? End user license agreement, Microsoft subsidiary, limited warranties. Oh, that's unusual. That's normally what the yeah, it looks like it has been. It looked like it hasn't been opened, but say that's what normally the disc would be stored in. There we go. Oh, look at this. This is what I call a manual. Look. Oh yeah, blank. There we are. Look, it's got all the flight paths and everything in it. Look. Wowzers. Don't get manuals like this anymore. All PDFs, isn't it? I know what I'll be doing later. Playing Flight Simulator and Combat Flight Simulator. Fantastic. Oh, nearly forgot. How are those keys doing that? Well, it's gone purple again. They're looking shinier. Let's quickly dry these off. It's not perfect, but then they are from the 90s, so they are rather old. You can see that that bit there is really, really shiny. Now I think the key was left in the actual CD-ROM box. when it was in storage somewhere, and the rest of all this is tarnished, but I've got the rust off. It's just got a nice patina. That's what the professionals say. It has a nice patina. Here we go, look. Yeah, still works. Thank you for watching. Please click on the like button if you've enjoyed the video or found it useful. And don't forget, if you don't want to miss any of my videos, click on subscribe. See you next time.